Viewers and subscribers, keyless one here. Yeah, I'm just working on this PASSAT again. Headlights look a bit dim and stuff, but I did change bulbs a couple of times, and then I realized that it's still a little dim. Try to clean the lens and everything, but then I start realize some things I want to show you right here. You have to check on these things. Ground wires that goes to your car right there. Always check those ground wires. These are so corroded. I start cleaning them, so, and I know this is gonna make a big improvement even for the cooling fans and everything. There's another one right down there. You always have to check those also, because I had to clean that one also. It was corroded so bad. Alright, so always remember, check your grounds. And your headlights should come a little bit brighter. Since I do that ground, nice and pretty.